Okay, so illustrative example number 1, graphing using slope-intercept form. So graph the function f of x equals 2x plus 4. Okay, so first we are going to identify the slope and the y-intercept. So ang slope natin dito ay yung 2, or that is 2 over 1, diba? So 2 or 2 over 1. And the y-intercept natin is yung positive 4. Positive 4 or 0, 4. Ito yung x natin. Ito yung y natin. Okay? Next, we are going to plot the y-intercept on your graph. And the y-intercept is 4, so I will plot the point 0, 4. So ito yung 0 natin na x. And ito yung y-axis natin. So dito tayo mag-concentrate. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So itong part na to, yan yung y-intercept natin. Okay, so that is our y-intercept, 0.04. Okay, next, step 2. From the y-intercept 0, 4, use the slope to plot your next point. So the slope is 2. So you will rise 2 up and run 1 to the right. Okay, so ang slope natin is, ang formula niya is m is equal to, that is rise over run. Rise divided by run. So ito yung formula natin for slope. So mula dito sa point na 0, 4, yung y-intercept natin, mag-move tayo ng 2 pataas. Okay, that is 1 unit and another 1 unit, so that is 2, and then run ng 1 unit. Mag-run tayo ng 1 unit sa right. And 1 point. Okay, so yun yung ating slope. That is our second point. And step number 3, draw a line through your 2 points, and this line represents the function f of x is equal to 2x plus 4. So pagdugtungin mo yan, gumamit ka ng ruler para magkaroon ka ng line. Okay, and that line is nire-represent niya yung function na f of x is equal to 2x plus 4. Okay, and every point, kahit na anong point dito sa line na yan, is a solution. Pwedeng dito, yung point dyan, yung point dito, yung point dito, kahit saan dyan. That is a solution to this function 2x plus 4. Okay?